This is Seoul, the capital of South Korea. This is not just any city racing towards the future, but also the one who is preserving its past. All around is food, food, food. I am going to show you how this city is different than any other city. So where do I start? Let's go 600 years back. This bridge here is around built in 14th century. There is a significance of this bridge because it was used to make sure that the city is not flooding. So it was an engineering marvel at that time. And the good part is, Seoul didn't destroy this part. It preserved it and built a city around this. To learn more about the history, I have visited the city's most important historical landmark. The Gyeongbokgung Palace has remained as a center of power in olden days, and people still wear the traditional hanbok. And so am I. I have a local guide and photographer, Sam, to tell me more about this palace. In most cities, palace becomes museums, but here it is a part of daily life. This is not history behind glass. This is the story in the center of the city. The old city actually remains inside the new city. That's why this city has kept old with the new. The Jogyesa represents the spirit that shaped Korea. This is Myeongdong. This is one of the bustling districts of Seoul. If that was Seoul's past, then this Myeongdong shows its momentum. This is where the world comes to shop, taste and experience Korea. Food is everywhere. All around is food, food, food. You won't get tired of food anywhere. Whatever it is, you're vegetarian, non-vegetarian, vegan, you find a lot of options. This is vegetable gimbap. So this is Korean sausage crab. It's so good. Next year, Seoul is going to welcome at least millions of people from around the globe. The question is, with already 26 million people living in the Seoul metropolitan, is Seoul ready? Let's find out. One good thing that I've noted here is they are prepared for tomorrow. I'll show you something. Look at this behind me. So this is the emergency light system, just in case when there is a power outage. This thing that you see here, they have got mask, fire extinguisher, and they have got blankets as well in case of emergency. So that's how they prepare for the future. This is a sign of developed country. If your country cares like this for each and every single person, that day you can say your country has become a developed one. That's how South Korea has prepared itself and its citizens for the future. A good sign. Let's go. With an advanced transportation system and a space for everyone, Seoul is moving one step to the new world. Moreover, this luxury shopping mall has a public library. look at this. On my way, I stopped at a DDP. It's a design plaza actually. So look at this. It's beautiful. You don't build something like this unless you believe in tomorrow. But believing in tomorrow also means correcting yesterday. This stream was once buried underneath concrete and highway. The city made a decision: remove the highway, bring the water back. Not all progress moves forward. Some progress restores. But even the most engineered cities need silence. Just 1 hour from the skyline, the pace changes completely. So subscribe to the Brown Compass. It just takes 5 minutes. They are also saying even though Seoul is beautiful, but if you want to get something like a feeling of getting into a different country, this is the place actually. Seoul understands something powerful. Progress without pause becomes noise. So I came all the way from there, and now I need to climb up there. The Seoul Tower is right up there. I don't know whether you can see the blinking lights there. That's where it is, and it's quite far. Seoul doesn't erase its past. It doesn't fear the future. It stands between both and makes them work together.